Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so hey, we are bringing the first half of 2018 to an end today. It's the end of June. It's been a fantastic first half of the year trading. The rest of 2018 should be fantastic as well. It's a trader's market this year. It's just been a trader's market, and it's been fantastic. So let's talk about where we are now. The bears have had every chance over the course of the last 4 sessions to go ahead and create a lower band ride that begins to expand the Bollinger Bands to the downside. But you can see that the lower Bollinger Band really has no interest in expanding. The bulls have bounced this. We did 93.25 yesterday. Day before that, we were defending the roundie. Now we traded all the way back up into the area of 37.25. We bumped into the blue line here, which is the 9-day simple. But over the 9-day simple, you start to talk about 59, which is the current weekly pivot and the current daily midband. I'm not saying we're going to 59 today, but what I am saying is if you show enough support and create enough higher lows in the area of the lower band and above, then the next natural area is the daily midband. Kind of like when we were discussing back here, that if you demonstrate enough of an inability to get up over the top or convert the daily midband, the next logical place to go was the daily lower band, and that's exactly where we went. So what we've been doing in the room is we've just been trading this. We did 48 handles in the room yesterday, just trading this volatility. And it's not hyper volatility, but what we've done for those of you out there that are former members, those of you that are current members, what we're in the process of doing is changing the way that we manage the first third of our trades. And it's a system that I've been refining over the last 6 to 9 months, and I'm starting to implement it now. And the additional handle capture is really quite amazing. It's the first time live. We did it live yesterday, and it went well. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. So hourly chart, you can see that the hourly mid band wants to be support. This is a lower low. Market didn't seem to care. So you got support at the hourly mid here. You got support here. We're over the top of today's daily pivot. And like I said, you take out this one, 48 from the other day, and then really all that's left is weekly pivot and the daily mid band. So what do the bears need to do? They need to get back under the hourly mid. They need to get back down into the area of the lower band and save this band ride. They have an opportunity to try to save the band ride. How do you save the band ride? Well, you're going to have to print 2703 to 2706 to do it. So they got their work cut out for them for sure. All right, everybody have a fantastic weekend. I will be back Monday with another webcast. We'll be out on social in a bit. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.